we can see the fireworks.
Yo, what is up, my peoples? We are back with another insane video, and it's still the 4th of July right now, and they are shooting fireworks all over the place, everywhere. So, yeah, let's check it out. I'm coming back when you guys seen enough.
In the back. 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 Go in the back. All right.
Oh!
In the back.
Oh!
Chris.
What? Oh!
He needs that for his YouTube channel.
Oh!
But he's not filming the fireworks, he's filming himself. Turn the camera around. The camera around on your phone. Are you filming it?
Yeah. Oh! Whoa! Like, it's hard to keep track, you know, like two sides.
Yeah, I don't know, but in the back.
Oh! 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 Oh my gosh! Oh, geez! Oh! 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 Snap a selfie! Snap a selfie!
That's a banana clip shit that you be like.
Oh my gosh! More smoke! Look at all that smoke, guys! Look at all that smoke! Oh my gosh! It's a Pop Smoke family reunion! Oh my jeez! Oh! Oh! Oh my god!
Let's go!
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Oh jeez! Like we didn't have enough. Guys, they're gonna shoot off more, don't worry. Gonna shoot off more. Oh no! You see that? Oh! 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 Happy 4th of July, everybody! Woo!
Make sure that people can actually.
Oh
Oh my god, they're doing it! They're doing it!
Oh!
Put that in the.
Oh!
Watch it.
Oh! 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 Oh my gosh! This is amazing!
Yep.
Oh!
Like, I love my home area.
This is awesome! Like, this is the best 4th of July ever! Like, no 4th of July has this much fireworks. Like, this is awesome!
Oh my god! Make sure that people at home can actually see the fireworks.
Okay, guys. There's fireworks everywhere right now.
I can't even keep it up.
Guys, there's fireworks. Wow! They are everywhere!
Electrical sparks every month.
Oh my jeez! This is awesome! Like so much smoke everywhere! This is amazing! Oh my god! Yeah!
Yo, put it down.
Oh! This is gonna be a fireworks show on your phone or on your tablet. Like this is amazing. Like you guys will see a fireworks show. Like right here. Oh my gosh. Oh!
Get out the car like that.
Oh! Oh!
Thumbs up.
Oh! 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 They're shooting bazooka! Oh my gee! Oh!
In the backyard, but it's safe.
Oh! Huh?
You're the ringleader. You gotta take it.
Okay, guys. They stopped for a second. It stopped for a second. Then there's a full moon right there, and that's a street light. That's a full moon.
You wanna go in the back?
Learn life, please.
Okay, guys. This is honestly like awesome. So, like, this.
You gotta realize that.
God, I think they ran out of fireworks.
I was getting broke up at that.
But who am I kidding? They never run out of fireworks. They never run out of fireworks. Now let's just see if they're shooting anymore. Do you think they're shooting more?
No, bro, I swear to God, G. I told everybody, like, bro, I didn't want to get twerking. And my mama has got her twerking and said, bro, I want
Okay, guys.
Hey,
That was not Nana.
Oh! Oh! Oh, I see smoke in the streets. I see smoke in the streets. Oh!
I've been trying.
I'm gonna end the video.
Just got into the role of
Alright, everybody. They're still shooting right now, but I'm gonna end the video because I don't want this video to be like too long. So yeah, we're 5 minutes. Oh! Oh! So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.